Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter. I hope you're all doing awesome today. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I hope you'll take a second, hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you're so inclined and you like what you see today. We're getting right into it. I was looking through, I have to plan my week, and in doing so, I have to the left of me a small container that has projects that I would like to do for videos. Well, this bad boy has been here for months and months, and I still haven't done it. And then I pulled it out, and I was like, as per usual, can I even make any sense of these directions? But we're going to give it a whirl, and we're going to see what we can do. This is inspired by Sandy at Septeria 18. And like I said, I've done this. I got this ready months ago. But here's what we are aspiring to. So this is just a little flip up. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. And I'm going to see if I can figure out how to do this. I think I remember, but I'm not positive. So bear with me. We'll try to make it a tutorial, but if not, just come along for the ride. So the first thing that you need is 3 pieces of cardstock. And you're going to cut those 3 into 3-inch strips. And I'm doing all mine at once. Let's see if this works. Okay. Did. Okay, so now we should have 6 pieces of paper, right? 3 by 6 pieces of paper. Now, so says my directions. Cut in half, 3 inches each. Choose a top flap. Okay, which one do we want our top flap to be? I really like that one, but I think that would be better as a pocket. Well, how about one as the pocket, one as the flap. All right. On the 6-inch side, it says, score me, please, at 1.5 inches. So this one is becoming our flap. Oh, you won't be able to see that. Sorry. 1.5 inches. 1.5. And then we're going to round the corners of this so we know that this is our flappity-doo-dah. We're going to go like this. Set it aside. Now, score the remaining at 1/2 inch and 3 1/4. Okay. 1/2 inch. That's going to be the little piece that gets folded down. And 3 1/4. 3 1/4? Yes. Okay. It's all coming back to me. 1/2 inch. 3 1/4. I've been apologizing for the last, I think I've done 3 videos today. This is my 4th. Something like that. And I started off my day doing an inky project, and that was a really bad idea. So please forgive my green thumb and finger. All right, last one, 1/4 inch. No, 1/2 inch and 3 1/4. 3 1/4. Okay. Now I think we're all finished with our scoreboard, so we can set it aside. Hope you guys are having a fabuloso day. What day is it today? When I'm doing this, it's the day before my birthday, but this is airing on the 21st. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and fold these in half for now, and we're going to position these where we want them to go in our book. All right, so all 5 of these are done, and then this is our piece. Now, I think it's going to be let's see, how should I do this? Okay, first of all, we need to decide how we want what order we want these in. So I'm just going to kind of put these, stagger these in order. 1, 2, 3. So I know what order I want them in. Come on. All right, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is the order I want them to be in. All right, now, like on this one, I need to, what I did before was decided which way I wanted the thumb notch. So let me grab out my thumb notch. I'm just going to do an itty bitty baby one. And now we're going to be folding this down, and we're going to fold this, or we're going to glue this eventually right up in here. But before we do that, so we want to decide where we want our notches. So I'm just going to do this one on this side, and then we'll go like that. So we want this one on this side. I'm just doing them opposite. 1, 2. Three. Okay, this is pretty easy. Why have I guess I just forgot it was in there. 4. Now I say this is easy. We're not finished yet, Ange, right? Okay. Now we got to glue these together. And I'm assuming that I just glued it. Come on. My glue doesn't seem to want to cooperate. Okay. Come on. It's a very fine line. We're going to pop that in here. We may as well just glue all these together, right? This one. Oop, no, not there. Now I've got them all out of order. Oh, well. Well. So, what's everybody been up to? Today is, let's see, who's up today? BB from BB's Closet Creations is our Give a Scrap participant, or creator. Oop, that didn't. So if you are following along and watching everyone and entering the giveaway, you'll want to go to the playlist, and it's in the description, to watch everybody's videos and play along with the Give a Scrap fun, which is all through the month of April, and it's a collaboration hosted by me. You don't have to be a creator to participate, by the way. Okay, so now we're just going to put a little glue. This is where the one part that I should probably read the directions first, but I think I remember. That just does not want to stay. Let's see, let's get the bone folder out. Oh, that moved a little bit. Okay, so now, okay, we got this. And now we're going to glue this one. I don't know if I have these in exactly the right order that I wanted them in. Just gluing the back on it. And then, if I'm not mistaken, we need to glue this right even with the last one that we glued on. think I was kind of skimpy with my glue. All right. There we go. And now this one going this way. Go like that. What do I know? What do I know? Not much. It's hard when you do 4 videos in one day. I don't have much excitement to share with you. I'll do this one. I feel like I need to add some more glue in spots. Just saying. There we go. Gotta move this sideways so I can see it. Ah! See? There we go. And it's looking pretty cute. This one got moved over a little bit. And last but not least, this one. And that's all there is to it, friends. Oh, see, what did I do? This moved. No. I'll glue that down. Looks like I didn't quite get it perfect. Oh, goodness. No, stay here, Ruby. Don't go, don't follow her lead. All right. And that's all there is to it. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops. There we go. Oh, how come that is not? Straight. One of them was off. Okay, there we go. So now we have that pocket. Now I had one that I have 2 actually. Let's go ahead and put these down. I'm not going to use the one. I'm not going to use these with the sewing thing. I think I need a different cover for that. But we have these and it looks like, oh, maybe I did do enough for 2. Well, why not? I guess we'll do that one like off camera. Well, you know what? If that's the case, let's just do the one that's the... No. I'm going to do this one, and I am... No, am I? I guess. Sometimes this doesn't work very well. Okay, hold on. This one does not. Houston, we got a problem. There we go. I must have made an accidental. Come on now, stop doing that. Okay, there we go. Get that one down. And then I'm gonna do this one. Oh, my fingers are all gluey. So it's pretty easy. Let's just go over this one more time. You're going to need 3 pieces of 6x6 paper. You're going to cut them in 3x6 pieces. And then you're going to score one of them at 1.5 inches. That will be your cover, this one. And the rest of them you're scoring at 1/2 inch and 3 1/4 inches. So the 1/2 inch is for the part you're going to glue down. Let me see. This way. This way. This way. This way. And the other one is so that you can fold your pocket. Easy peasy. And last but not least, put you over here. So yeah, I've just been busting out videos today. At the time that I'm recording this, like I said, it's the day before my birthday. Tomorrow is our live sale with Hazel at Hazel Anaka Design. And she is our special guest. So if you didn't watch that, check out the replay. It'll be worth it, I promise you. And then the reason I'm doing so many videos is because my original plan was for, I was supposed to have been traveling with Dave this week. However, he changed his mind. How rude. And he said, how about you come next week? So what I had done in preparation for that is I did that drop sale and had everything ready for that. I had planned on shopping in the town that I was going to for all of the things to bring to the live sale, which it worked out better that I was actually here because I was worried. We were going to stay in our tiny house over there, and I was worried that there would be problems with Wi-Fi, and, you know, I could work through that in most cases, but, oh, shoot. Oh, that's fine. But when you've got a guest joining, it's just, you don't want those kind of things to happen. You know, it's just like having people come to your house to visit, right? So I was happy about that. But I had planned all my videos, did all of them in advance, and I was good to go. And then I realized, oh, if I'm going to be there next week, that means I need to do the same thing again. So at current state, it is April 10th and I have videos. Oh, that's cute. That got glue on it. Darn it. And I officially have videos, minus live sales, of course, through, let's see, the 27th of April. So I'm way ahead. But at least I'm all set to go. So, well, I hope you like that really simple, really easy project. It sounds to me like I need to go take care of some animals that need to protect the house. So I will let you go. But until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.